So here in this geometry problem, we want to find the area of that shaded region. I hope you can recognize that it is a semicircle here. We had a whole entire semicircle. We find the area of that region. And then we subtract off the region of the triangle. So we take this away, and that's how we get what's left over. So we're going to do two calculations. One of them is a semicircle calculation, the area of a semicircle. And then I'm going to subtract off the area for my triangle. So one thing at a time. Semicircle is pi r squared divided by 2. It's half of a circle. And the triangle is base times height divided by 2 for my triangle. So very similar formulas, kind of sort of. They're both divided by 2. Anyway, so if I have this diameter of 18, that means I have a radius of 9. So pi 9 squared divided by 2. 9 squared is 81. 81 divided by 2 is 40.5 pi, which we're probably going to decimalize later, but let's leave it like that for now. So 40.5 pi is the semicircle. Now here's the trick for this one. Not really a trick, but this is going to be the base of your circle. And if that's your base, then this is the height. Okay, and that's tricky to recognize that, because that means that I have a height of 9, because that's a radius 2. So the base is 18, the height is 9, divided by 2, means my triangle has an area of 81. No, it doesn't. Let me erase that and actually calculate it. Yes, it does. Half of 18 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. So you might think this is going to come out to be a negative number, but it won't. Don't remember that this 40.5 times 3 is more like 120. So that's the perfect answer. But if we're going to put this in our calculator, we can get a decimal, which is going to be 46.234. And the units are square inches. So you find the area of your semicircle. You subtract off the area for that triangle using the base and the height appropriately, the correct base and height. So any 90-degree angle will do. And you subtract them.